Hi friends, this is Devansh. In this video, I am going to help you to fix the network connection limited error. So please watch this video completely and let's begin. The first method is try to troubleshoot the network adapters. For that, you have to go to the settings. So go to the start and here you will find the settings. Click on settings. Now go to update and security. Here go to the troubleshoot. In the troubleshoot, scroll down and you will find the network adapter. Click on it and then click on run the troubleshooter. Once you click on run the troubleshooter, it will start detecting the problem related to the network adapters. Firstly, it will tell you to choose the network adapters, choose all network adapters, click on next and it will start detecting the problem. So in my case, there is no issue, but in your case, if you find an issue, try to fix that. So this is the first method. So the next method to fix this error is update the driver or roll back the driver. For that, you have to go to the device manager. Search device manager and go to the device manager. Once the device manager get open, now you will get multiple drivers option here and you have to search for the network adapters. So network adapters generally presented the downside. Go to the network adapter. Now choose the Realtek driver or whatever driver present in your system. Go to properties and go to the driver tab. In the driver tab, you will find the rollback driver button. So if it is enabled for you, just click on it and roll back the driver, because sometimes updating the driver can cause this issue. So roll back and it will again roll back to the older version. If it doesn't work, then you can also click on update driver following the same method and click on update driver and click on search automatically for the driver and it will search online for the latest driver. It will take some time, so wait. In my case, the best driver is already installed. In your case, if the update available, it will update the driver. If both of this method doesn't work, then the last option is click on uninstall device and click on uninstall to install the driver from the system. And once you click on uninstall, you have to restart your system again, because when you restart your system again, it will install the driver and then try to connect to the internet and check you are getting the error or not. So by this way, you can roll back the driver or update the driver or uninstall the driver. So this is the second method. So the next method to fix this error is reset the TCP. For that, you have to go to the command prompt and run it as administrator. Once the command prompt open as administrator, there the command present in the description. You have to copy it from there and paste it into the command prompt. So I am copying the first command and paste it into the command prompt and executing it. Similarly, you have to copy it and paste it. One by one, copy all the 4 commands and paste it into the command prompt and execute it. And you will get following results. So once I am executing it, I am getting OK. Similarly, copying the third command and paste it into the command prompt and execute it. So here I'm getting OK, and the last command is this. I'm copying it from there and paste it. So this will show you the details, that whatever TCP global parameters enabled and are disabled and what are the defaults. So once you get all this, once you have done these things, you have to exit from the command prompt and just go and restart your system again. Once you restart your system, again try to connect to the internet connection and check are you getting the error or not. Hopefully the error will get resolved. So this is the third method. Now the last method to fix this error is change the DNS server. For that, you have to go to the control panel. Open the control panel. Go to network and internet. Now you have to go to the network and sharing center. Here you have to go to the change adapter settings at the left hand side. Open it. Now choose your network connection like Wi-Fi or internet and go to properties. Now you have to go to the internet protocol version 4 TCP IP and you have to go to the properties. Now click on use the following DNS server and give preferred DNS server as 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS server is 8.8.4.4 and click on OK. Once you click on OK, after that you have to just go and connect to the internet connection and check you are getting the error or not. So this is the last method. Hopefully this will fix the error. So these are all the methods which can help you to fix the error. If any of this method help you, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.